What comes to mind when you think about training your employees? I guess you imagine spending hours and days talking and teaching them every single detail of your business, giving them information, and the thought of it already makes you exhausted. Yeah, been there before. However, training is a crucial part of outsourcing and building your dream team of virtual assistants. What if I told you it doesn't have to be that complicated and tedious? Ding, ding, ding. Well, it's true. In my 6 years, or probably over more than 6 years of outsourcing, I came up with the most effective and practical ways to be able to train your VAs on your own or with the help of our team. So if you are here looking for answers on how you can train your VAs easily and effectively, then you need to stay with me until the end of this video, because I will walk through the ways that you can effectively train your VAs in the most efficient and automated ways possible, and things that have worked for me and my team. So watch until the end to find out how you can learn all the ways that I was able to develop to train my VAs on my own, even with the busy schedule as a full-time doctor, wife, mom, and entrepreneur with multiple income streams and businesses, i.e. doing filming on lunch breaks. So let me know if it is something you think you can apply to your outsourcing strategy. Subscribe to Dr. Melva TV on YouTube for your go-to guide in digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building for all the ambitious and purpose-driven women out there. I provide helpful tips, recommendations, guides, and other instructional materials to start and nurture your business to its success, along with every video to really help you in achieving your goals and live the life you have been dreaming of. Doesn't that sound exciting? Click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Forming your mindset to one that is into the opportunity of making money in real estate and be on your way towards achieving the life you deserve. So even though I have this tight schedule, I was able to successfully train my team. I did this a lot through videos and learning what was information that they needed to do and what was I doing daily that they could learn. And it took me a little bit of time, but all I needed was to find the right tools, the right systems, so that I could do this effectively. Now, I went through a lot of different tools and products and services. So what I'm sharing with you, these strategies that we have in place, we've come up and figured these out along the way. So I wanted to share with all online coaches and entrepreneurs who are interested, you need help, you need a VA, but that's the hardest part of outsourcing is how do I train that VA? So been there, done that. Stay tuned. Let's talk about this. All right. Some of the most effective and practical ways that I train my virtual assistants are: 1, recording videos via dub to show them instructional videos of how exactly I do these tasks or how I prefer it to be done. Organizing them and putting them in one place, like a folder in Google Drive where all the videos and materials that can be used for training can be found. So when I first started, I used Loom. I switched over to Dub because Dub helps me to record my computer screen and record my voice while giving instructions so that I can show exactly what processes I'm doing on my screen in a nice video. Plus, Dub gives you a link that you can just share, so you don't have to upload or download. And storing them all together makes it easier to provide training for future members of our team. And we always have something we can go back to in case we need to reassess those strategies and create new ones. But I really do like that feature of a link where I can just send the link and it plays the video without downloading. 2, making use of training videos available online. YouTube, Udemy, free and pay ones, etc. There's so many instructional and training videos that are already available. A lot of these associated with the tools and software you'll use. So when you're looking to learn a new skill or teach a new skill and develop a new system, it's important to leverage the many videos that are already out there for experts for free. And you really just have to pick the ones that are really going to help you, because it's a lot of materials and videos that are fluff and they don't have the information you need. And we're not trying to waste our time, right? We're maximizing it. So look for details, for videos that have the details. The advantages of getting paid ones are that they tend to be more comprehensive, well-structured. Creators have provided, the support workshops so students can apply the knowledge once they've learned it. So I think it's a balance. It really depends on what skill you're training on, right? So if I'm training on a platform, let's say ClickFunnels, my link is below. I use ClickFunnels for my funnels. They have excellent training from so many different people, so many entrepreneurs. It's no point of me making my own ClickFunnels training unless it's something specific that I need in my business. So are you up to training your virtual assistants on your own, or would you rather outsource their training? Let me know your answer in the comments below. Number 3, Skype conference calls. Using this feature to share your screen and or have a conference call with your team members. So when I have to provide training for my team, my favorite tool is Skype. My team and I can brainstorm together, delegate tasks to each member, and spontaneously look at training videos so everyone can get an idea of the entire process. So this is especially helpful when we're setting up and planning for a new project. It is freezing outside, but this is what you have to do to get it done, right? 4, implementation and application while training. This is a strategy that I do to make the most of the training and the output that my virtual assistants make. It motivates my virtual assistants to really use their strategy that they've just learned, their talents, skills, and new knowledge to produce high quality output that we can use right away for our campaigns. But it's the same for anybody else. If you're learning a skill and you don't use it and implement it, what's going to work? Nothing. Number 5, a trial week. I give each of my newly hired VAs a whole week to undergo training and do tasks. And then by the end of the week, myself and the rest of the team review their performance. We have key performance indicators, metrics to see how their output is, how it can be improved upon, and decide, what the next step is for the team. So you see, training doesn't have to be a tedious process as long as you have the proper tools and systems in place. I hope you gained some really helpful knowledge from this video, and let me know if you need any help along the way. You can find me on all of my social media pages. Links are down in the description box below. Side note, don't film in the cold. My hands are freezing, but I talk more about how to train your team of virtual assistants in my outsourcing masterclass and outsourcing guide, where I share everything that I know and all the techniques to making the most of outsourcing to take you and your business to its success. Check them out in the description box below. I feel like they're really getting closer to me. They don't know that I'm working doctor on my lunch break, but you gotta make it work. You can do this. Check out the links in the description box below. Check out the M360 Entrepreneurs with Dr. Melva Facebook group, our community of purpose-fueled women determined and driven to start building their wealth. It's a great environment where women share inspiration and encourage each other to start building wealth and achieve their goals in life. Link in the description box below. The How to Build a Team by Outsourcing Masterclass is one of my most successful online coaching sessions to date. Here are just a few of the testimonials I received from my students. The masterclass aims to guide through the whole process of building your team of virtual assistants, or even if you only need a single VA for now, you will learn the most effective ways to finding the ideal virtual assistant, hiring them, finding out which tasks suit their skill sets, and ways to manage them and delegate tasks to them so that you can be truly the CEO of your business, right? You want to maximize their knowledge, skills, and talents and allow them to drive your online coaching business to that next level of profitability. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description box below. Check out more videos where I talk about digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here at Dr. Melva TV on YouTube, empowering women to monetize their purpose. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. See you again soon.